In a time when clocks were a rare sight, lived a small bird named Vireo, whose melodious voice echoed through the night, singing songs of moments, hours, and hours of glory. Vireo's songs were not mere tunes, but whispers of time in beautiful rhymes and sweet tunes. A chronicle of seconds, minutes, and hours that gracefully danced around the listener's ears. One day, a traveler came to the village, carrying a strange contraption on his shoulder, with numbers and hands that moved, and a ticking sound that could be heard from afar. The villagers gathered around in awe, watching the strange device that measured time. The traveler explained, "This is a clock, a tool to measure moments, hours, and time." Vireo, who had sung about time, for this mechanical device could tell the time, while he could only sing about it. One night, Vireo flew high into the sky and sang his heart out, his voice echoing far and wide. But the clock's ticking sound drowned out his song, and the villagers paid no heed to the melodies he provided. Vireo felt a deep sense of sorrow. His beautiful songs were no longer praised. But as he descended back to earth, he realized something that made him feel less dismayed. His songs were not just about time, but about the moments that make life worthwhile, about the laughter, love, and joy they bring, the things that a clock could never sing. From that day forward, Vireo sang differently. Not about the hours, minutes, or seconds, but about the moments that mattered. And the villagers listened and were truly blessed. For Vireo's songs reminded them that time is not just a numbers game, but a collection of moments that make up the beautiful tapestry of life.